Fill in the blanks by using the zero property of addition. 3 plus dash is equal to dash. Dash plus 4 is equal to dash. 5 plus dash is equal to 5. Let's solve the first problem. 3 plus dash is equal to dash. Let us recall that if any number is added to 0 or 0 is added to any number, the sum will be the number itself. Hence, by the zero property of addition, 3 plus 0 is equal to 3. Now let us solve the second problem. Dash plus 4 is equal to dash. Again, by the zero property of addition, 0 plus 4 gives us 4. Finally, let us solve the last problem. 5 plus dash is equal to 5. Similarly, like earlier, by the zero property of addition, 5 plus 0 is equal to 5.